Hi, welcome back to Mindflux. Everyone has fears, but what is a phobia? A phobia is an anxiety disorder that can significantly impact your life. Are you curious what types of phobias exist? In this video, we will talk about what phobias are and what causes them. This way you can protect yourself if you suffer from one. Let's jump in. Phobia is a fear of something that has no logical reason to be feared. It can range from being afraid of what others think, being near water or spiders, heights or public speaking. Phobia is an irrational fear that causes excessive worry, anxiety and panic. The symptoms can be severe enough to cause an individual to avoid what they are afraid of and may even disrupt their daily life. There are many types of phobias. Here is a list of 6 common fears. Number 1. Arachnophobia. Fear of spiders. Number 2. Acrophobia. Fear of heights. Number 3. Claustrophobia. Fear of enclosed places. Number 4. Pseophobia. Fear of science or knowledge. Number 5. Hemophobia. Fear of blood. Number 6. Hydrophobia. Fear of water. How can you know if you have a specific type of phobia? Well, identify what you are afraid of and what causes it, such as what something looks like to what you associate with the thing. Notice if you have any physical symptoms, mental signs or emotional reactions when exposed to that fear. If these reactions stop after a period of time, this is an indication that your body has learned to deal with what it perceives as a threat. If these reactions continue, then you may have a phobia and should seek help from your physician or mental health professional. What causes phobias? There are many different types of what can cause someone to develop an irrational fear, and some common ones are a traumatic event that is associated with the object of what they fear, such as being bit by a spider, or seeing other people react strongly in response to what triggers their fear. A person may have what is called a genetic predisposition to develop phobias, which makes them more susceptible than others. What are the signs and symptoms of someone with an irrational fear? The different types of people will experience symptoms differently, but common ones include panic attacks or increased heart rate when exposed to what they are afraid of, nausea, dizziness and shortness of breath, constant thoughts about their fear or what might happen to them if exposed to what causes the phobia. These thoughts may be so severe that they cause insomnia. How can I get help for someone with a specific type of phobia? Some people are able to overcome what causes them fear without professional help, such as cognitive behavioral therapy or medications, but it can vary. In some cases, medication is prescribed and the individual will need support from a mental health care provider in order to work through what triggers their phobia. There are also different types of therapies that may be helpful for overcoming what causes someone irrational fear. 3 main treatments for phobia. Number 1. Cognitive behavioral therapy is a type of therapy that helps the person to learn how to identify and change what triggers their fear response, such as recognizing what thoughts they have when exposed to what causes them anxiety or panic attacks. This can help the individual find healthier ways of thinking and reacting to what they fear. Number 2. Medications are sometimes used when the symptoms of what causes someone an irrational fear is severe or will not go away with other forms of treatment that involve therapies such as cognitive behavioral therapy. The individual may be prescribed antidepressants, beta blockers or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, which work to change what causes the individual to have an extreme reaction or panic attack. Number 3. Exposure therapy is also sometimes used, which involves what are called systematic desensitization techniques that slowly expose someone to what they fear in a controlled environment and allow them time to react before continuing. This will help their body become habituated with what scares them, so it doesn't cause an irrational response like what causes someone to have a panic attack. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are facing any kind of phobia, let us know in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like that. Thank you from the Mindflux.